JagrantJosh.com brings for the aspirants current affairs video of the week 2nd May to 8th May 2015 that will be of immense help in their preparation. Current affairs headlines. Lok Sabha passed the Goods and Services Tax Bill 2014. Rajya Sabha passed 119th Constitutional Amendment Bill. India-Iran signed intergovernmental MOU for development of Chabahar Port. Union Cabinet approved foreign investments into real estate investment trusts. World Asthma Day 2015 observed with theme You Can Control Your Asthma. Save the Children released 16th Annual State of the World's Mothers Report. Indigenously developed Akash weapon system inducted into Indian Army. French Parliament approved surveillance law to prevent terrorist attack. Indian Army emerged champions in 19th Federation Cup National Athletic Championships. NASA's electric plane GL-10 prototype completed successful flight test. Railways won the 5th Hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2015. Floyd Mayweather Jr. won Fight of the Century of boxing. World Press Freedom Day observed globally. 14th edition of Indo-French Naval Exercise Varuna 2015 concluded. Veteran journalist Amitabh Chaudhary passed away at 88. Current affairs in detail. Lok Sabha passed the Goods and Services Tax Bill 2014. The bill is also called Constitutional 122nd Amendment Bill. It seeks to introduce goods and services tax regime in India. The bill will transform India into a common market harmonizing myriads of taxes. It covers all goods and services except alcoholic liquor for human consumption for the levy of GST. Rajya Sabha passed 119th Constitutional Amendment Bill. The bill seeks to operationalize the land boundary agreement with Bangladesh. It will allow the exchange of certain enclaves of land between the two countries. The enclaves include territories in Assam, West Bengal, Tripura and Meghalaya. Iran-India signed intergovernmental MOU for development of Chabahar Port. The MOU was signed by the Transport Minister of both the countries. MOU allows Indian firms to operationalize berths as container and multipurpose cargo terminals. It will facilitate availability of functional container and cargo terminal to India at the port. It will also enhance Afghanistan's overall connectivity to regional and global markets. Union Cabinet approved foreign investments into real estate investment trusts. The decision will enable foreign investment inflows into completed rent-yielding real estate projects. RIETs are listed entities that primarily invest in leased office and retail assets. They are intended to attract long-term finance from foreign and domestic sources. In September 2014, SEBI issued the SEBI Regulations 2014 to operationalize it. World Asthma Day 2015 observed with theme You Can Control Your Asthma. Theme of the year is You Can Control Your Asthma. The sub-theme is It's Time to Control Asthma. World Asthma Day takes place on the first Tuesday of May every year. The inaugural World Asthma Day was held in 1998. Save the Children released 16th Annual State of the World's Mothers Report. The report is titled The Urban Disadvantage. The focus is on the struggle of poorest mothers and children in rapidly urbanizing world. India is ranked 148th of 179 countries in the Mothers Index. The index shows where mothers and children fare best and where they face greatest hardships. Indigenously developed Akash weapon system inducted into Indian Army. It is a part of orders for 2 regiments placed by Army worth 19,000 crore rupees. Each regiment of AWS consists of 6 launchers with each launcher having 3 missiles. It consists of sophisticated radars and control systems to guide the missile towards the target. Each missile weighs 720 kilograms having a length of 5.78 meters. It has a large operational range from a low altitude of 30 meters to a maximum of up to 20 kilometers. French Parliament approved surveillance law to prevent terrorist attack. The surveillance law strengthens the intelligence services of the country. The aim behind approving the law is to prevent terrorist attacks. The law on intelligence gathering was adopted by 438 votes to 86. It authorizes new methods such as the bulk collection of metadata via internet providers. Indian Army emerged champions in 19th Federation Cup National Athletic Championships. Indian Army scored 123.5 points during the tournament to emerge as champions. Tamil Nadu team notched the second position by securing 114 points. Indian Army also emerged as overall champion in the men's category with 123.5 points. Kerala claimed the overall championship in the women's category with 86 points. Best athlete in the women's category went to Shrabani Nanda from Odisha. NASA's electric plane GL-10 prototype completed successful flight test. The plane is a battery-powered 10-engine remotely piloted aircraft. The aircraft has 8 electric motors on the wings and 2 electric motors on the tail. It weighs a maximum of 28.1 kg at takeoff and has a 10-foot wingspan. The objective is to enhance capabilities in using remotely piloted aircraft in science investigations. Railways won the 5th Hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2015. In the final match, Railways defeated Hockey Jharkhand by 12-2. The third position was bagged by Hockey Punjab. Punjab beat Madhya Pradesh Hockey Academy by 2-0. Earlier, Railways also won the men's title of the championship. Floyd Mayweather Jr. won fight of the century of boxing. He defeated Manny Pacquiao to win the unified world welterweight title. Mayweather won the title in 12 rounds with a unanimous decision. With this win, he extended his winning streak record to 48-0. The match between Mayweather and Pacquiao was valued at $300 million. It was the richest boxing match in the history. World Press Freedom Day observed globally. The theme of World Press Freedom Day 2015 is Let Journalism Thrive. The day marks the celebrations of the fundamental principles of press freedom. World Press Freedom Day was proclaimed by the UN General Assembly in December 1993. This day also marks the anniversary of the Declaration of Windhoek made in 1991. 14th edition of Indo-French Naval Exercise Varuna 2015 concluded. The exercise started on 23rd April 2015 off the Goa coast. The navies of both the countries have been conducting joint exercises since 1983. These exercises were christened as Varuna in 2001. Last exercise Varuna 12 was conducted in the Mediterranean Sea off the Toulon coast. Veteran journalist Amitabh Chaudhary passed away at 88. He passed away in Kolkata due to prolonged illness. He was associated with 3 leading Bengali dailies, Anand Bazar Patrika, Jugantar and Ajkal. He authored around 40 books which mostly explored various facets of Rabindranath Tagore. He received Ramon Magsaysay Award for his reporting on individual rights in India. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.